The executives of Khumulwng Press Club, Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association, and Tiprasa Photo Media Association had organized a press meet on Friday at the Agartala Press Club and speak up against those concerned news channels who have used informal language during news telecasts.
Media, or a journalist, is a fourth pillar of democracy. Media is like a mirror to our society. Media writes and reports the most important and effective information in our society through telecasting the news. However, in the last couple of months, it was seen that the maximum news which has gone viral in social media, Facebook, YouTube, and few news channels were about sexual assault, molestation, affairs between a married and a young person, and as such. Telecasting the news is a good and responsible job. However, for getting higher views and earning in Facebook and YouTube, one should not use an informal language which is not appropriate to watch in a family. As a consequence, it turns as a shame for our society. Further, the Cockbroke News channel got an allegation in that case. People are trolling in the names few news channel and reporters. As a consequence, all the reporters and media house need to be ashamed. On that account, the executives of Khumulwng Press Club, two Tiprasa Media Organization, Tripura Indigenous Peoples Press Association TIPPA and Tiprasa Photo Media Association TPMA had organized a press meet on Friday at the Agartala Press Club to make sure such informal language or slang words should not be used in all the news channels, websites, YouTube channel, Facebook and other content creator, which is not appropriate for our society. The president of Khumulwng Press Club, respected Angshu Devarma, stated at the press meet.
And the second thing is that recently there are lots of news that are going viral in the social media, especially Facebook, YouTube, and such all kinds of things. We can see the ethics of media is getting lost, especially among the Cockbroke media news. We can see some slang languages are being used, which are very much inappropriate to hear in front of the parents and the guardians. And there are many different kinds of scenes that are very not good. So, being the media persons, I suggest and I want to say to all that we need to follow the ethics because we are responsible for the society. Whatever we cover, it just reflects upon the society. We are like a mirror. We can see ourselves in front of the eyes. Whatever we saw, the society sees. Because of some of the few persons, some of the few reporters, some of the few content creators. Now all the Cockbroke media persons are getting blamed that all the Cockbroke media persons are slightly misleading the lines. And in the few coming days, we will also demand for organizing on behalf of the Khumulwng Press Club for more workshops so that we can make the more Cockbroke media persons understand the realities. Now, I want to hand over to Mr. Ranjit Devarma.
Similarly, the secretary of Khumulwng Press Club also stated that we can telecast news on any issue. However, we cannot use informal language for the sake of money and fame, which is not convenient for us to watch in family. If we use such slang word in front of our society, we will be ashamed for that very reason. It will be most appreciated if we avoid such informal language, if we do not teach such reckless attitude to the future generation.
Ang bo kok thei by media ni buskango o issue no cheng nai ang nije belai mane la chijakha tangi la chijakha gangke ang khoroksa Cockbroke media ni khoroksa adong o profession ni khoroksa adong o profession ni sakawo lukurok ni kok sil chamong emono jagao thangsoika emono lasima singta jagao thangsoika jeng a Cockbroke no media ni buskango Chini ama, Chini bahnok juk, Chini bibi, Chini baibun, Chini besajuk, Chini beselani beskango o Cockbroke no sanani dalai no lasima singja. Ang saimenia Chini society o Chini responsibility tongmarok kisa rang ni bagai, kisa views ni bagai, jeng bahike o tiyari o kelugui thangnai, jeng bahike o tiyari o Chini je wansok mong kaham society ni bagai samong khlaina musung mani. जोंनि समाय थाङै अ प्रोफेशनल फाइमानि जों लाइक स्राबसानि बागै पगै थांनाय केबोके होनगोना तामा कक साइ दंखा प्रेस क्लाबनि बर' अ मिडिया अर्गानाइजेशन दं तेबो स्राय स्राय आं नरं बसांगो साननानै थांपानो जे सोक मानसाक आनि जुरिडिक्सन जरातै आं आयं फाजिङो केबोनो यासि सुनानै थांगिया kuno media organization, kuno YouTuber, kuno social media no ang kaisa pa no borong ni bumong gikut kaigalak. Tangi hingga ke seng abo hai mental tini borok ya. Request kayo, Chini press mini bising ti. Seng nugi manka social media wai mano troll lem tong ka Chini kogborok media, Chini media house rock. Reporters of the Year award zakha social media attend khanya rong thani content creator rong ni thani. Tamungui society wo jeng jasek samung kham khlaiyi lukurokno subawi kebo sa khamiang ke bono kaisa subasuni lama phunogri roi bono kaisa langma mathang reitei phanai jeng abo hai media house rok jeng tini bahai ki kisarang ni bagai Chini daikto no pogai thangnai nugui man khaseng o talsa talni rogo rom phejak mani news molestation khaijak mani news keboni bihigno keboni besai kharit lang thangka keboni bihig bai keboni besai kaisa losho kaisa hotel lo kaisa restaurant no tomung sita tongi manjakha ok thumbedek ni samung sung news awai mung khainani no phia ba Chini jurisdiction tongo Chini ethics tongo jeng rom phejak mani word no standard language by standard word by sanani gobang machin thani word tongo basa tongo phia ba jeng tangi ase kelugui thangnai jeng jotoni prani ni bisingo sinai ni hunjaknai ingo mayung rok korai rok na jotonde sinai ni hunjakam phia ba jeng borok sinai ni hunjakmani Chini lachimung jeng tangi pogai thangnai jeng a videos rok no a news rok no Chini nok kaisa naijangnani moton liya phia ba sabrum Chini besarok Chini bagini jiksong Chini bahnok jiksong Chini bibisong maximum time internet jug ba mobile attend khlayo social media nayo Facebook nayo YouTube nayo phia ba sabrum tamo naiko gangke je hamia borok abonon naiko aboni bagai Chini press club Chini media organization tai jeng sakbai thang media house ni owner rok chief editor rok reporters rok ni bakhaktui jeng o issue no ti lukurok no koinya ni bagai se abo hai media house no koinya ni bagai se jeng order le khlaiman ya ta khlai di bukni jeng sawi man ya jeng just request khanya se norong ni basang tini phaimani phaidi jeng baike Chini responsibility jeng pogai thangnai asuk sitra ward rok no je borok interview nai rok use khaika jeng nugui mano national news international news rok kaisa politician by politician talk show debate asuk khangke borok abo hai hamya wadia kaisa tai kaisa damrok laimani wad no phana bib khayo mood khayo phia ba jeng nugui mankha jeng ngi mano jeng kogro media ni reporters rok media house rok jeng dalai charai jeng dalai Chini umor kisako jeng o professional phaimani kuno dokha bai jeng compare khainani jeng paya jeng kebo bai competition jeng paya haipano jeng Chini Tripura saruk kisan mane kebo bai asuk tolawo tongnai ya jeng o jago phaisok bai ka Chini ni press club ongkha jeng press club ni adong rok ongkha Chini news no jeng tabuk Tripura haste simia phatar haste utlangiri mankha sabrum Shillong Mizoram Manipur North East ni joto state rok Bangladesh ni borok sudu Chini news rok no follow khlayo sabrum da o rompre laimani sabrum da o yagrom laimani o manjakmani news abo mangda bui Chini state ni news no nai tongai chinai drugs awi thimani abo mangda nai tongai chinai positive kaisa kusu sung phunuk laisiwana ang nije bu phunuk laiyana sung joto no phunuk laiyana sung joto reporters rok baba ken site tok laiyana abo hai slang word no sung mute khayai sung beep sawan dui abo no jate borok ni beskango abo hai sitrabat no tubu yatei tangi hingake jeng borok no borom khlaike jeng borom khlaijaknai.
Similarly, the president of TIPPA, Khorang Debarma, and Secretary Benjamin Debarma has appealed to all the well-educated people out there and elders to stand against those few media house and YouTube channel on the same issue for disrespecting our Kokborok language.
Belaikeno seng lachiwo tangai lachi hangke seng tabuk salbrum no Facebook YouTube naya ke patongi simanlia hongai basaka hangke seng Facebook YouTube sabotamo content rekha seng jotono naito social media asakeno tabuk jotoni nogono bukhawono pocketo no habi thangka TV rok naine rok ksikrikha belai kisangai thangka ga o social media kaisa freedom asike no ri rekha je ani kok nini kok je musungui tongmani kok no sung o jaga sawi mano salayo phiaba kaisa tofani bagai hinai no je kok pini tongnai rok media house rok borong ni to daibodda tongo kisuta tofani bagai society ni bagai tamni himba borong no followers khainai rok belai khana kabangma chini society o personal media o je kok samani abon juda media house rok kok samani abono takisa judangai thang aboni bagai ang kabangma thangnai sal logo kabangma nukha kabangma media house media channel ni je chalui tongnai rok reporters rok jebabe questions khlayo tai jebabe monotam hanai je voice over rok ruo aborok to editing bo khaimano abon bagai edit rok bo khaijago kanke ajaga je wansugui je sei tongnai je khlai tongmani aboni je kok borok kok thaini je gtui kok thairok aborok no tebo khana to khlai mano ga khana to khlaya oi je mane khana jagya hai bukuk hamia rok je ব্যবহার khlaijagi tongmani je use khlai tongmani aborok no turu slainani belai kheno nango tamni himba okra sakra basabutui jotono Facebook YouTube bai tongmani bagai ge obono request khainani musungo jotoni no chikon bikon maya kok borok kahamke proper word krei ama herofano ngi mano kintu jara media o samukhai tongnai rok borok tebo study khainani dorkar tamni hingkangke follow khainai rok kabangmani bagai karon hamia kok thai rok no judi no media tui sajagoi tongkangke sini next generation je phai tongnai basapati rok belai kheno hamia no belai kheno srungo ga abo sini dofao belai kheno hamia effect ngai tongo abo somjotono nugo belai kheno lasini singsa aboni baga ang request khlayo je tabuk je trul rok khaijagoi tongmane oborong no sung kuno joli jangnai nasle jangnai mungsakri sini bul ngai no mano aborong sini je bul tongmarong no sung slainani nangnai wansungani nangnai tai bwskangni salo omahai ingya oi je mansak sung sini rangchak kok borok kok no sung baike tebo khana to khlai sini hayong hakotoro sini riman hamjak mung relaiman obono ani koimung jara media o samongkhai tongnai rangchani takutei bungsong
Chini Tripura media ni kaisa platform जों जेसेबां कानानि हिंगे जों काisa साजांनाय बा आवायमुं प्लेटफर्म नांगौ आवायमुं प्लेटफर्म नांमानि जागायाव जों आबनो बाहायके यूज खायनाय आमनो जों काहामके किसा सिवि खायखांके आबो आंवानसो चिनि सोसाइटी रगो जों तेबो सिनि मुंया सोरोंमुंबो जों सोरोंमुं बानानो होने वानसोगौ आ सोरोंमुं रखंखांके जे जागा जों गाहाम खायनानि हिनै गाहाम फुनुंनानै थांथिनि जों अनेक कक रक यूज खायो कुनु कायसा कैटेगरी कायसा न्यूज नि कंटेंट न अ कक न जों अन्य वार्ड बयबो यूज खायमनो बा जुदिनो जों डाइरेक्टली कमन लाइफ जों जलिफुरु जे साइरेखा बा जों सोसाइटी ओ जे कुनु ओपनलि नों बाय आं मोखां फेस टू फेस हालायफुरु जे सामानि न जुदिनो जों टेलिकास्ट खायफोरावबो आ वार्ड दनो यूज खायखांके आं वानसोगौ जे जों न्यूज टेलिकास्ट खायो बा जे जों प्रोग्राम बा जे कुनु कायसा इन्सिडेंट न जों टेलिकास्ट खायफोरु आं वानसो आबो अक्रा रक्सिमि नायानो नै अमतिया बा चराय रक नुगानो अबो बुया ससियेल मीडिया वाइसे नों याकारो माने न अबो इट्स फॉर ऑल सोसाइटी वो जे बरक दंनाय जे मोबाइल नायनाय जे यूट्यूब नायनाय जे फेसबुक नायनाय बरक जतन नुगैतां एट द सेम टाइम सेकेंड बिसिङाव सेकेंड जतन मोबाइल न अबो हापायो ओंका आजागारावबो ताबुक जे जों स्लें वार्ड यूज खायमानि आबो ओंखांके जोंथ' अर्डार रिमिया केम न बाट जों आमना कायसे रिक्वेस्ट खायो जाते आ स्लें वार्डआवनो जों जेसे एभयड खायमानो आं खाकाव चिनि सोसाइटी रं बागै किसा लार्निं बा एजुकेशन बा सोलोंलायनायनि जागाते किसा जों सिलायनो होनै वानसोगौ ताबुक जों आने आमानि बसखांसि आन बाबुनि बसखांसि आ भिडिअ न आं तो मंखानि क्लिक खायरखांके आ जे खना Chini समाजाव बा Chini society abo जों खोनाखाङो माने लाचि मुंमानुता abo हायवा दक जुदि न जों कगेरे खांखे जों आफोर आ समय ना म्यूट खेमनो ना नाया ना काट खेमनो abo खायमियां थौ अनेक समय जराय खरकसा मोबाइल तांखा ani cerai pan tangka babu ni mobile tanganan bo open khai rewe a wat dong no bo nugo mane no a wat bo khese khanaya ko serung mung ketal ko angke bo jodi no a wat no khanam pore abo tom han babu nungano sadi ke senga puru tom jawab na ba na seng borong no phurungo na seng borong no om ti tang di ni da seng borong no phunuma kalai ba abo angke indi do angke seng wan sung na nango tom no seng khaijang nai tong tom no seng khaijagya abo seng kasha what to do what not to do what to be seen what not to be seen mane phunuk jangnai bobo tong abo kisa norok bo jasai khaidi aya kai onti hai kabangma journalist ni norok boy paiji ba naiji poridi aja what to be done what not to be done ba crime against women any incident crime against women ngi manu aja kaisa simna tongo aja kaisa boundary tongo a beri crimes boni against khajak puro boni mokhang no blood khanya nango abo common people semano ba jingje media house tong tong nai aborong no jing jeman saimano abo haino kok ni ba kaisa limitation tongo a limitation ngka nung saire kangka a society wo chini je society wo o kok ni bai bo ba hai ke react no omno nung naji nung tawan suri ni viewers ni bagai ba ni personal alada kebno chikonduna ni ba kebno society wo obo hayung tongmani kintu norok wansu obo tai engla khani kintu obo haya ulta indeed tebo sereng layoi tebo chini hamia lama rok onek somoy negative ungu abon boy ang nong no koyo ba je media house obo hayrok judi slang word rok use khai tong hangke ang norong no khakayo जों दिनै प्रेस मिट खायमानि जागोल नरक अब हायनो नेगेटिव सेन्स जों जे सामानो वान सुयावै पजिटिवली नरक गाहामखाय स्टाडिज खायै नरक नेक्स्ट नरंनि प्रोग्रामिंग खायमानि न्यूजनि एंगल खायमानि आबनो किसा नाय खायना बागै जों नरंनो कयो हामबाय
The President of Khumulwng Press Club, respected Angshu Debarma, Secretary Ranjit Debarma, Vice President Reverend Ripendro Debarma, President of TIPPA Gautam Debarma, Secretary Benjamin Debarma, Vice President Krishna Debarma, the Secretary of TPMA Amulya Debarma and other executives were present at the press meet. Reported by Krishna from Agartala, Chini Khorang.